Cool or low-intensity fires are lit early in the dry season to curb the risk of out-of-control and devastating wildfires later on. Sensing the flames, many animals escape the long grass and run out into the open, into the talons of the firebirds. Raptors come from kilometers around to prey on them as they flee. The fires create a buffet for the firebirds to pick from. Their appetites have even driven them to start their own fires. Picking up a smoldering stick, the birds drop them up to 1 kilometer away to start a new fire and create more hunting opportunities. Raptors are found all over the world, but only in Australia are they recorded hunting using this incredible strategy. Apart from humans, these birds are the only species that harness the power of fire. And they may have discovered its use well before we did. You have to feel sorry for their prey, but there's no denying the ingenuity of the firebird's deceptive strategy.